we're gonna show, because Dasai is here, we go to some temples, okay?
Okay.
Temples. And you are not feeling well,
No, I'm not feeling well, as you know by my voice.
so we have to go fast and come fast. Okay, short visit to temples, we'll come back. Okay,
Okay.
Katyana? So you have to wear life jacket because huh? Wait, first let's go to the temple, because now it's Dasai, everybody will go to temple, so we also decided to go, come and visit. So today we are continuing our video most visit places in Pokhara. This is one of them. This is the island temple, Barahi temple.
This is kind of like when we went to the Fewa Lake, so I can swim.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's kind of like the time where I swim the Fewa Lake.
I think we'll see some big fishes also.
Yeah. Nepal flag.
It's very short ride. 5 minutes, I think. So this is Barai temple of Pokhara. It's an island temple. Looks like too many people.
Many fishes.
There's one I saw.
There's no fishing.
के बनाएको होला यो
This is Barai. This is Devi. Donation time. They will be staying here for their life. As they will bring baby dove and they will live here, so they will stay here. Before they used to give here a lot of animal sacrifice. Now they stop it, so they bring and they will just release the bird here. This is Bindabachini temple, one of the holiest place in Pokhara for Hinduism. It's also most busy place in Pokhara for especially local tourists.
भगवान को नाम में चढ़ाइने
मेरा 1000 भाई ने तेरा आम ना
पैसा दियो भनेको अर्को दिस सँगै हो नि तपाईहरु हैन है राम्रो खाना खानु Good thing about Nepal is like this is also Buddhist temple, Jain Buddhist always exist together, Hinduism and Buddhism. That's the beauty of Nepal. People come to this temple for wedding also, for Hindu believers. Good place for have a wedding ceremony. Come there. This is the main temple, Bindabachini Mata. People are lining up for pray the god. This temple is right in the middle of Pokhara city. Especially now Dasai started a few days ago. Dasai is a festival we celebrate nationwide, mostly well celebrated by Hindu people. Every day they have to go to temple for 10 days. The closing ceremony will be on the 10th day of the festival, with getting blessing from the elders. Actually, it's a celebration of victory by the gods against the demons. There's so many stories. Time to go home. How are you feeling now?
Little headache.
Let's go home, okay? बाबा जी टीका लगा दीजिए।
ओ नाम 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 की लूट पड़ी, लूट सके तो लूटो, अंत वेला आएगा जब
धन्यवाद।
प्राण जाए।
जय